There are certain milestones they are expected to achieve in certain age. So we divide them into 4 major domains. Gross motor, which is done with their whole body. Fine motor, which is done with their fingers, and mainly it depends on the hand-eye coordination. Social skills and communication, and then language per se. At 1.5 months, they may have partial head control, they may regard objects, and they may have social smile. They may turn to sound when they hear something. At 2.5 months, they have got better head control. They start following objects. They have recognition smile. At 1.5 months, 2 months, they smile to anyone who smiled to them. By 2.5, 3 months, they develop recognition smile. They start recognizing them, their parents and grandparents. They start localizing sound. They start turning towards the exact location where they heard the sound. By 3.5 months, their head control is complete. They start mouthing. They start taking things, picking things and putting in the mouth. Their recognition smile becomes full-fledged. They start making sound, cooing sounds. By 6 months, they start rolling over. They may sit momentarily once they are helped to sit in a position with support. They start hand-to-hand transfer. They smile looking at the mirror. They may babble and make monosyllables like ba, da, ma, sounds like that. By 9 months, they learn to crawl and then to creep. They may pull to stand. They develop pincer grasp. They start taking objects with 2 fingers. They are able to play hide and seek and show tata. They may repeat the sounds and make bisyllables, and they may imitate sounds. By 12 months, they walk with support. They release objects when asked to. They come when they are called, and they start telling 2 words. By 15 months, they start walking backwards. They start feeding from the cup. They start mimicking actions, and they may talk up to 5 words. By 18 months, they start running and they climb with support. They start feeding with spoon. They inform once they pass urine, and they start talking around 10 words. By 24 months, they start climbing with 2 feet per step. They start turning pages. They develop bowel control. They start talking simple sentences. By 36 months, they start climbing 1 foot per step. They start riding tricycles. They start learning drawing circles. And they start talking 3-word sentences. Basically, 2-word sentences by 2 years and 3-word sentences by 3 years. By 48 months, they start skipping on 1 foot. They start drawing cross. They start attending toilet alone, and they start telling stories. By 5 years, they start jumping with both the feet in air. They start drawing triangles, and they start telling their age.